Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your XIAOMI 17T. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case. This is very important because we want to make sure that there's nothing that can be accessing our phone to just randomly click on something, because this is what a ghost touch is. Basically, you have random clicks all over the phone like this. For example, right here it's gonna click, and as you guys can see now, I opened some random site. So we definitely do not want it, and we want to remove the screen protector or a case if they are poorly applied. If the case is covering the bezel, which is the dark part between the screen and the side of the phone, you should remove it too. And the screen protector, if it goes let's say over any side or the edge of the phone, no matter which direction. And of course, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna restart our phone to refresh the system. So press the power button, volume up button, and swipe down to reboot. Now the phone is rebooting, and what we want to do now is clean our screen to remove any debris or moisture. So of course, we are gonna use a microfiber cloth for it. Let me quickly erase the phone, and here we're just gonna swipe it up. Now as you guys can see, the phone is good. We can see it to the light. You can see that it has the mirror on our logos, so it works perfectly fine. Sorry, it looks perfectly fine. Now, as a last resort, we're gonna update our software. So you can go over into the settings. Now tap on About Phone and tap on HyperOS. As you guys can see, it is checking for updates automatically. I have no new updates available, but if you do have an update, make sure to do it. It's very important because we don't want any old glitches to impact our daily life, or we don't want these glitches to impact our phone. And ghost touch is a big problem that we want to get rid of. That's why if you have an update available, make sure to just click on download and install. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.